we'll guide you through how to use Blender to create and import models into Roblox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and make sure you have the latest version installed, as updates often bring new features and improvements. Create a new project and start by modeling your object using Blender's versatile tools. You can use the ADD menu to bring in primitives like cubes and spheres, then use the Modify options to shape them into your desired form. Once your model is ready, you'll want to UV unwrap it if you plan on adding textures. Head to the UV editing workspace, select your model, and use the Unwrap feature under the UV menu to ensure your textures will map correctly. Remember to save your project frequently to avoid losing any progress. Once your model is completed, you're ready to export it. Go to the File menu, hover over Export, and choose the Wavefront (OBJ) format, which is compatible with Roblox Studio. In the export settings, make sure to check the Selection Only box if you have multiple objects and only want to export some. Now, open Roblox Studio and load your existing project or start a new one. In Roblox Studio, go to the VIEW tab and open the Asset Manager. Click on the Import button and navigate to where you saved your .obj file. Select it and import it into your game. Once imported, you'll see your model in the Asset Manager. Drag it into the workspace to place it in your game scene. You can then adjust its position, scale, and rotation to fit perfectly within your game world. If you've added textures, make sure to upload and apply them within Roblox Studio for your model to look just as you envisioned. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.